So let's have a look at the interior of this gorgeous RS6. Begin with a rear luggage compartment. Even have nice LED lightnings there. Secret compartment here. And for foldable rear seats. Let's close this. Fun effects on the rear lights. And here we have a friend. That's interesting. Anyway, should we open the rear trunk so we get in more light and they don't get so suspected about these things on the license plate. Let's open that up. Anyway, I actually kind of like the police. They do a good job when they have the resources. Anyway, let's fire up the 3 screens. Bam! Put everything on off here. Classic instrumentation. Only thing I kind of miss is, well, like kind of that this is kind of logarithmic. And one thing that's interesting is that you could just push the view button and bam, you get this super navigation. Same with here. And you can pinch. So if you drive wrong with these maps, then you really can't navigate, basically. And then if you push the RS button, RS mode, kind of rip off of the M mode, you have this sporty version. And it's actually 2 displays. You kind of forget the ones here below. But let's actually start the engine. Whoops. and now I know why it's so loud. It's because of the back. The trunk is open. I kind of forgot about that. We need to try to drive with that open. You will, yeah, hear that. And this is kind of, it's not air suspension on this one, I assume. So you could preset the drift, chassis, steering, engine sound, quattro, the sport diff. And oh yeah, we should turn on the air conditioning. It's so hot. Turn those on max. It's this beautiful summer day. Look at those little ducks. Anyway, oh yeah, and it actually has, as the 5 Series had this oh yeah, here we push this button, top view, and because I've closed it, because the trunk is open, you can't see behind, but this looks pretty nice. I mean, you see the quality of the resolution on camera is quite nice. It looks like relaxing, this let's do a 3D. But BMW have this thing, it doesn't have this. So, but pretty nice having this view. There's like kind of real life, and here. So let's jump out and have a look at the other side of the interior. Before the memory goes out. I believe it's 7 minutes max. So, only thing is kind of negative is that you see my sweaty hands. Can you do like that on the screen? That's it.